Hi everyone. Hector wanted to get out of the house the other day and it was kind of rainy, and actually my tennis match was canceled for the day, and we went to Hoover Dam in Westerville, Ohio. So here's a little video of our little excursion out into the public. Hope you enjoy. How many selfies are you taking today?
A few.
Quite a bit more than a few.
I just want the perfect one.
You married the perfect one. I think so. Because I got a text message a minute ago.
Use your portrait camera.
Honey, just see if I can, they're gonna fly as soon as I get closer. Yep, they flew. Oh, there you are. Oh. Were you striking a pose in that selfie? Is that what you were doing?
I was trying to pose.
Uh-huh. All the birds and everything, the sounds are nice.
The sounds of Mother Nature. So this is a Columbus Hoover Dam.
Yeah.
At Westerville. This is my first time actually coming to a dam. I've never been to a dam.
Oh.
Yeah. I've heard about this dam, but I didn't thought it was that close either. There's a house back here.
Right, yeah. I have no idea where this road leads.
Me either. Can you find that camera? I want to take a picture.
No, it does look like, no, I think you're right. It does. It looks like it does lead out to the main road. We'll turn around.
I got one of those friends over there.
Yeah, the Harris. weird looking creature. Where are you going? You did see the sign, right?
Either no swimming, no walking.
Waiting.
Waiting?
Yeah.
Okay.
Kind of sticking your feet in the water. We were just over on this side. There's actually somebody boating out there. What's that noise?
The dam.
Oh.
When I was a kid back home, we used to go like hiking and stuff and things, all in the hills on the other side of the island.
When we were in the Cayman Islands, you like the Crystal Caves too, didn't you?
Yeah, I really enjoyed that. I really enjoyed it because it looked so fake, the water, how crystally it was.
Yeah.
And it really looked super, super fake. They have a place in Texas that I want to go to that has water like that too.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
First of all, breathe. Because you got to think of it as your body being a machine. You got to feed your machine. You got to feed that machine.
Looks like they have a roundabout up there.
A roundabout? Oh yeah, I'm looking at that.
I can go check out the map up there that the other people are looking at right now. Oh, that's a big bird up there. don't know if you can see it. Sorry, ran into you.
I'll be right Hoover.
Hoover. Who you text?
Dam is D-A-M-E, right?
No, no E.
D-A-M?
Yep. Who you texting?
My aunt.
Oh. That sounded real nice.
Carnal Park, dedicated in honor of C.B. Brownie Carnal, 1882 1961. So he was 81 years old or 80 years old, all depending on the month that he died.
Mm-hmm.
He devoted his life to the development and construction of water supply facilities. His foresight and outstanding abilities in his chosen field are everywhere evident in the Columbus water system. Championship District Golf Course.
Yeah, they have disc golf. Oh, I guess that was Brent Hambrick.
Who is he?
I have no idea.
Memorial opening August 2016, Westerville, Ohio. Did he pass away or something?
I would assume so since it says memorial. May have to look that up when we get home.
You want me to